Hi, and welcome to the Piecesanspermis workshop. I'm Julien, and today I'm going to show you how to replace brake pads. Once you've placed jack stands under your car, take off the rear tyre. Using a ratchet, unscrew the bolt on your brake drum. Don't hesitate to hammer the brake drum to wedge it off. After removing the brake drum, start by dismounting the wheel cylinder. You can then start unscrewing the bolts attached to the brake pads. You can now remove the brake cylinder, pads, and rotors. Have a look at the description tab of our YouTube channel to order all these spare parts. Put the new brake cylinder in place without screwing it in completely, so that you can put the brake pads on. Use piano wire if necessary to tighten the brake pad springs. Now put the brake hose into the new cylinder. When all the parts are in, you can tighten the bolts of the brake cylinder. Now all you need to do is place your new brake pad on and tighten it. If you liked this video, don't hesitate to share it, like it, and add a comment. See you soon at Piecesanspermis.